Guys, before we get started with the video, please subscribe.
Rose Diddy was no up the Rose at the radio.
Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to be playing Dangerous Truck Driving because I have not posted it in a month, and I feel like I need to if I want to win that money, so I can live out the suburbs or get out the churches. You get the point. I'm going to try not to rage, even though I've already have, and I'm not happy. I re-recorded this video already once. Now work out because I forgot to put my dang microphone on. Now I gotta do it again. And I had to wait for this video after I finish eating. So I'm going to do it again for you guys and for my future. Let's start. This part might be easy because I've already beaten it. But I'll do my best to do it again. $40.
Good God.
Well, guys, as you can see, it already says checkpoint at 10,000 studs, and we're only halfway there. So let's get on with it. I beat this the first time, you probably just saw the montage. But let's get ready for the next part. You don't know how many times I've done this, bro. This makes me really mad. You can barely see, bro. But I got... It don't make no sense.
I'm ready for, bro. Like, nah, bro. Like, y'all need to stop playing with me, bro. Like, I'm not playing with y'all.
He's so annoying. Nah, bro, but I'm locked in. I know I got this. I got this. Though I might not got this.
I'm dog water. I am dog water.
Dang, bro, you see that dude all the way up there, bro? It's about to become the 100,000 of people that have already beaten this game.
Bro,
But I would just walk the whole way there, but I can't because Albert ruined it. Yes, Albert from Flamingo, he ruined it. Because you caught him in the act, and now they had to fix that. Everybody else was probably doing it just today. It's not fair. I'm broke. That's why I'm doing all this YouTube stuff, so I can get some money. So I can get out that broke state. Spent all my money on an iPhone, and I barely didn't know the money, but I gotta wait and save up a little amount of money I win. Oh, no. R7! I probably should have got this. I'm not. Bro, come on, bro. Bro, this is easy, bro. You know how many times I've done this? I've done this so many times I should be locked in, but I'm not. You know what, bro? I'm gonna make this process faster. Y'all don't have to hear me shout and go slowly through this track. I gotta lock in like King Von anti-piracy. Maybe after that. I don't know how. I'm locked in, bro. I know I am. I just gotta think like a children. I got this.
Yeah.
Bro, I know what the lights just turned off on us, bro. Hear that, guys? Hey. Oh, I almost so. Oh, I went too far. I'm locked in. I was logged in, bro. I was actually on there. That was actually the best one I've ever gotten from this take. Because the last one I sucked terribly. Nah, bro. We just got mature. Run! I'll do it for y'all, guys. Ever be too, because I'm trying to win some money on this app.
And I'm done because famous.
Like, bro. Like, I can't do nothing much about my voice. Just please, guys, don't bully me about it. I know I sound like a little kid on the other side of the phone. I assure you I am not. Trying my best. Also, if some of you guys know me IRL, you guys probably know about that new video I'm probably gonna come out with. No! Well, you should never be on your phone when you drive, guys. Wait. I thought I was gonna die on that. No!
5 minutes later.
Sorry about that, guys. I had to participate in one of my brother's giveaways, and I got 3 big bars of candy. Starburst pack, bag of Skittles, and I mean I got a Chewy, but I'll give it about there. Oh, y'all say that way too much. I gotta blurt it out. That's why y'all. Which are probably beneficials in their own way, but you know, and I don't even got no money buying a Cybertruck, 200 Robux. I'm poor. I'm locked in, bro. I got this time. I got this. Ah! Nah, bro, y'all don't see that, bro. Nah, bro, I wish I could just get that Cybertruck. Can't get no RV or no Raptor truck, bro. Cause I'm poor and I suck. Airhead. Okay. And that's how bad mine. Mobile device is lagging. Sometimes I don't even like this part, bro, because my brain don't even work sometimes because my dumb Wi-Fi.
That airhead was good.
Cousins. See, bro, I don't even understand. Like, why is he up there? Bro, I'm only good on the good part, bro. I didn't even need to skip it. Because I'm like other players, like Albert. Oh, I'm going too fast. I'm gonna cry. No. One more time. I give up. Cause I suck! Oh! Bro, I'll do the same. And Give up! Bro can't put down the gun. He can't put down the gun. Like, bro, put down the gun! Bro, just glitched my truck. Oh! Okay, thank you. Go! Oh! Oh. Where'd it go? Like, y'all can't fix that? Done! I apologize for that disturbing, violent video. But that don't matter anymore because I have all of these. Because I'm like that. No, I'm sorry, guys. But please do like and subscribe. Or else they will show up to your house and I, as a YN, will pop you. Okay, thank you for watching.